Here's how to use Manychat's Facebook Messenger automation. Hey everyone, welcome. This video is going to be for those who are just getting started with Manychat or are about to get started with Manychat. I will talk about what you can do with it and the things that you will be able to access and how to actually go and set things up for your self. So you can see here that Manychat is a pretty much an automation platform that is going to help you with messaging platforms like Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook Messenger. And you can see it has a bot that is going to respond to customers about specific questions. Like, tell me more about the product. It's going to give them more information about it and give them, for example, things that are going to help lead to a sale, such as offers and things like that. You can, just come to minichat.com and see more about the things that it can do. And there's a lot of things that it can do. And there's plenty of automations and integrations and stuff. So let's actually get started and talk about how to get started. Okay, so the first thing is going to be, let's just talk about the pricing first, because it's not completely for free. It does have three plans. One of them is the free plan, one is the pro plan, and then there's the premium plan. Now, the free one, think of it more of testing things out and just seeing how you like it first before you go ahead and upgrade to the pro one, because you do really, like, you do get a lot more when it comes to the pro plan compared to the free plan, right? So like I said, think of it as more of testing. And also the pro plan is not necessarily $15 a month. It does increase with the amount of contacts that you have. Now the contacts, you can, and have them from MailChimp and things like that. You've got plenty of integrations that you can look through. But here you can just enter the amount of contacts that you have and then, see the pricing. And then you can just also get down here and like compare all of the differences between the three plans. I'm not going to go through all of them because it's going to take a little bit of time and I just want to get to the video. One more thing I wanted to mention is, yeah, you can check the integrations here and see if you want to use anything here, like Google Sheets, Zapier, and also more things here. So let's actually get started, and to do so it's very simple. You just go to minichat.com and just click on get started. And then from here, you will need to just sign up with the channel that you want to work with. Now, the free plan does offer WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and Instagram. I'm not sure about Telegram. Let me just check real quick. If you just go to pricing. So no, for the free plan, you only get Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and WhatsApp. You don't really have. Well, apparently, I think you do have Telegram, because here it doesn't also mention Telegram. I don't know. So anyways, let's just go click on get started and click, for example, Facebook Messenger. And here, obviously, you will need to continue with Facebook and link your account, basically. So let me just continue as Randy. This is just a example account that I created for Facebook. Yep, okay, so after you link that, it will ask you the email address, and then you just click on next, and you will need to verify your email address. I'll do so and just get back to you. So I have just verified my email, and then it's just going to ask us more about ourselves and why are we going to be using Manychat. I'm not going to bore you with these details. I will just fill them in myself and then show you how things will look like in the dashboard. So I'll just finish up the setup and come back to you again. So wait for me. So another thing that I haven't mentioned is that you will need a Facebook page to continue. So if you don't have a Facebook page, you should find, once you sign up and fill in some information, it's going to show you this page right here. And because my Facebook account that I have just connected is just an example one, I don't have any page. So I'll just go ahead and create a new page from within here. And again, talk about the dashboard. I just wanted to let you know that you actually need a Facebook page in order to set things up for Manychat. Okay, so once you are done with the sign up process, you should find yourself within this dashboard or a similar one, depending on when you are watching this video, where you can find a home, contacts, automation, live chat, and things like that. So basically, what you will need to do is when you get started is, well, first is actually, get the contacts in. So you'll need to import your contacts within here. You can just create a new contact where you can fill in their information and just click on create. So add as many contacts as you can, and go to integrations if you want to also have things much easier for you. So for example, if you have MailChimp, you can go to settings and then integrations and scroll down to find MailChimp, um, and just connect your MailChimp account to this. Not only MailChimp, but any other integrations here are going to be within here. And next up, you will need to go to team members. And if you have paid for the plan, you can add team members here that are going to just help you out. I can't even speak English. Help you out with your live chat, which is, if a bot couldn't respond or anything, it's going to send you an email notification, and you will be, able to chat with the customer yourself. So set these things up, and then afterwards, you can just go to, for example, my profile, and then manage accounts, where you can go to where is it? If you want to connect, yeah, just go click on add new account, where you can connect other things here. Let's just skip this. There's another way, easier way to do it. If you just go to settings and go to channels here. For example, if you want to connect Instagram, you go to settings, Instagram, and then connect. Same goes for WhatsApp. I'm not sure for Telegram. I guess it's also the same thing. And the rest are the same. The only thing that is going to be the different one that are going to be the ones that you have already connected. If you have already connected with one, for example, we connected the messenger, we should find different options. And these are going to be options that you will need to take the time to actually set up, like the greeting text for, for the bot, chat bot, and a subscription list, default reply, and things like that. Create new reply, and just, have a lot of things that need to be set up. You just click on this and follow the steps basically. So when this happens, and you just add the text in here. So user sends a direct message. The response is going to be hello, and then blah blah blah. You know the rest. So this is going to be things that you will need to set up for your channels. And then next up, we're going to be working on automations. So when it comes to automations, skip the home page. If we just go to automations here, we can create a new automation. And then from here, we've got templates here that are going to help things out, or help us a little bit, make things easier. We can use a quiz to qualify leads, for example. It's just going to help engage the customers to your chat. Basically, it's going to make things more entertaining. So for example, we just click on it and set up template. And there's an example on the right side. I'm not even going to read. Just, you can answer, and then it's going to give you points and stuff. And you can just, it's going to ask you another question after a little bit. You can answer again, and then just, it's going to keep your customers more engaged. And then you can end it with a, for example, you can see here, for example, if they get 40 points, they become a winner. Maybe they will get a discount or something like that. So you can just click set up this template if you want, and set things up to your liking. Here are going to be the actions that and the replies. I know it looks complicated, but if you really look at it, it's going to be a simple question and answer. And this is already made for you. So you don't really need to worry. The only thing that you will need to adjust is actually going to be the text within each place here. So for example, you can adjust the text here and adjust the question and answers, and you can also add more answers. So those are going to be how it works. So for example, action 1, if you go back here, user sends a direct message. and then the tag starts, which is going to give you the condition of a quiz. This is automatic, it's going to work itself. But then the things that you will need to adjust is going to be this. So if somebody does this, so that starts, no. Yeah, this is going to be the first question. You will need to set things up to your liking. So which animal is the fastest? I don't know. Just set up any question and then you just add the answers like cheetah and so on. So this is how it works basically. You'll need to set things up to your liking. And then if you want, you can also create a new automation and actually start from scratch instead of a template. And you just select a trigger. So when this happens, so for example, when a user clicks on a Facebook ad, something else happens. So this is going to cause this to happen, and it's going to be send a message, and we can just enter the message here, or an image, or things like it. You can attach files and things. So this is going to be for automation. Set up as many as you like, obviously according to your plan that you have. And then you've got live chat like we talked about, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You will need to just, work on the automations and make sure that you stay and like pay attention to the notifications that you will be getting. For if a bot is going to doesn't have an answer, is going to redirect the customer to you, and you can chat to them and set up the rest like Instagram and stuff, and it's going to be pretty much the same exact thing as the Facebook Messenger. It's not going to be any different. And yeah, just that's pretty much it. It's not going to be too difficult, and I believe that you can also create automations using AI. It does. If we just do a new automation, I'm not sure how to do it, but I'm pretty sure that I've read it in the like the website they have, because I think it's a new feature that they added or are still adding, and it's just going to help you create your automations with AI. It's going to be much easier. But for the time being, it's also still easy. You just go ahead and create a trigger and a like what happens. So this is pretty much it for the video. I hope you liked it and benefited from it. And thanks for watching.